Once you've downloaded the Shuriken Splices installer, you'll run through the installation and make sure that it's pointing to the correct data directory. The Shuriken Splices component allows you to detail field-bolted HSS splices in just a few clicks. You'll want to select which member to add this component to, and then you'll select which column end you want to add this component. We'll be covering the different general settings in this video. This component currently works with imperial jobs for 3/4 inch diameter bolts. I can select my bolt type and then how many rows I want. Since I put 2 in for the B and D, I have matched sides on. It'll do it for the A and C as well. Then I can change my plate grade along with the plate thickness. Turning this to solid transparent, you'll see all the materials that are added to create the connection. I can quickly adjust the layout to maybe 3 columns for B and D. And then you can see it changes for A and C as well. I can easily add in an erection gap, and the component will add in the appropriate size shim plates on all sides. By default, these bolts are shop bolted to the member that you added the component to. In this case, it'd be the top of the column. This component also works nicely with rectangular tube columns. If I uncheck the match sides, then I can do separate layouts for the long and short sides. Unchecking match sides is also beneficial with square HSS columns for resistant uniaxial moments. The bolts are automatically placed for Shuriken's minimum allowable spacing. I can change this by unchecking the tight spacing and provide a customized spacing and edge distances. Often the column splices will require a change in wall thicknesses to account for axial loads. The Shuriken component can automatically add or adjust shim plate sizes to account for the difference in wall thicknesses. You can adjust the plate sizes by unchecking compact plate. When putting in these values, the component will make sure that it will work within the flat of the tube. Shim plates are automatically adjusted to match the manual splice plate dimensions. Templates have been created for these drawings, along with being called out in the bill of material. You can see that the faces A and C are called out, along with the 3/4 inch Shuriken with nut. And then this is also called out in the bill of material. You can find the setup for defaults for your job in the project settings, job, plugin defaults, component plugin defaults, and the Shuriken Splices.